how to make resume on Overleaf. So the first thing that you want to do is go to the Overleaf website and sign up for an account. After that, click on Browse Templates. Over here, you'll see different categories. Then click on the fifth option called CVs and Resumes. After that, scroll through the templates and choose the one you like. Then click on the template and select Open as Template. Over here, the template will load in the editor. After that, you can switch between the code editor and visual editor. Over here, find the sections like your name and other details in the code. Then replace the placeholder text with your own information. After making changes, click on Recompile to see the updated resume. After that, once all your information is filled in, you can download the final version as a PDF. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.